6.5-gallon metal barrel with a 40 lb capacity. Includes Pro Hunter 2 feeder kit. Pro Hunter 2 feeder kit includes metal spin plate, adjustable funnel, ABS plastic housing, feed level estimator, battery indicator and external power port. Digital timer programs up to 10 feed times per day, 1 to 60 seconds long. Quick lock adapter mounts to any barrel or hopper. Requires 1.6 volts battery not included. Top reviews from the United States. My upgrade. I use this feeder with a combination of scratch and crumbles chicken feed. On a humid day sometimes the feed would clump and not feed out for the disc to spray the feed. I upgraded by drilling a small hole in the spinning plate and inserted a simple threaded picture hanger hook, so now when the plate spins it grinds the feed no matter how clumped up it gets, it breaks up the jammed feed.